Vance Video AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases in recent months, and in this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking tool. Whether you're looking to enhance your video production process or dive into the world of AI-driven content creation, stay tuned, because this software has some game-changing features you won't want to miss. Let's get straight to it. First off, Vance Video AI allows you to automatically generate video content from scratch, utilizing AI to create stunning, high-quality videos. If you've ever struggled with video production or just don't have the time to edit, this is a total game changer. You can input your script, select your style, and let Vance Video AI work its magic. It's fast, efficient, and can save you hours of work. Another huge feature is its ability to automate voiceovers. This tool lets you convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers, offering different tones, accents, and even emotion levels. If you've been creating videos without voiceovers or relying on robotic-sounding software, this feature is a big leap forward in producing videos with professional quality audio. One of the most exciting aspects of Vance Video AI is its customization capabilities. Not only can you choose different video styles, but you can also tweak elements such as transitions, animations, and text overlays. This gives you total control over the final output, making it feel like your own unique creation. And it's all done in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional video editing software. Now let's talk about integration. Vance Video AI doesn't work in a silo. It integrates smoothly with popular platforms and tools that you likely already use. Whether you're uploading directly to YouTube, social media, or using the content in email campaigns, this software ensures a seamless experience without the need to constantly export and format your videos for each platform. For those of you looking to maximize your digital marketing efforts, Vance Video AI makes video optimization easy. The AI understands SEO basics, allowing you to optimize titles, descriptions, and even captions. This ensures your videos are more likely to perform well on search engines, which is crucial for growing your online presence. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Vance Video AI continuously updates its features based on user feedback and industry trends. This means you're getting a software that evolves over time, staying at the cutting edge of video production technology. You won't be left behind with outdated tools or limited capabilities. Lastly, you can try Vance Video AI for free from the first link in the description below. If you're still unsure, this is the perfect opportunity to test out the software and see if it fits your video production needs without any risk. And here's the kicker. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my favorite software recommendations, all linked in the description. These are tools that I believe will bring value to your digital marketing efforts, and I highly recommend giving them a shot. If you want to start leveraging the power of AI to enhance your video production, check out Vance Video AI, and don't forget to explore the other software I've reviewed below.